Hey guys, so I received my package from Bookishly. Alright, so most of what I filmed just erased itself, so we're gonna start again. I just opened the package, yes, and we had a little card from Bookishly in it, talking about Bookishly and what it's been doing for the past 10 years, I think. We have 2 bookmarks. The first one is this one, which is horizontal, bookishly like that, and it says, the chance which now seems lost may present itself at the last moment. And it comes from around the world in 80 days, and the art is incredible. I love it. The other bookmark is from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. I love it so much. It says, "Begin at the beginning," said the king very gravely, "and go on till you come to the end. Then stop." I love it so much, so much. And it makes 2 new bookmarks to my collection, and I really like these because they are quite thick, so I don't think I will break them yet. And before the book, I chose to pick out the book and a tea. You had to choose between tea and coffee, and I chose tea. And I've got Denier World of Teas, so I've got a green tea, which the title is Drink Me, so that is amazing. And it is Kaika Cherry Sencha, so it's a luxury green sencha tea, rose petal and natural flavors. I'm so excited to try this on. Oh my god. I'm so excited to try this. And finally, for the book, it is really small. I don't know what it is. I hope it's not Alice's Adventures in Wonderland though, because I got it already. Oh my god, it looks so good. And it's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, but oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, it's a bookish... Oh, I see. It's a Bookishly exclusive cover, which is amazing. So I'm gonna take it off just to show you guys. This is the Bookishly cover. And yeah, it's off. It looks so good because it fits with the bookmark. It's amazing. This is the original cover, I think. What the hell is this? What is that? This looks so creepy, oh my gosh. So I'm not unhappy, but I have this book. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon with a video. Goodbye. De la tierra morena, lindo vienen bajando.